With more and more artists seeking faster ways of making simulations more easier and in real time, Nvidia has just announced PhysX 5 as open source. This is their latest version of their real-time particle system, and this announcement was made alongside the launching of new updates for Omniverse, which is Nvidia's 3D design and collaboration platform. Originally, Nvidia open sourced the PhysX 4 sometime in 2018 for game devs, which at the time was a wonderful real-time particle system, with its initial release relying on CPU and further accelerated via GPU. And with the new announcement of PhysX 5 SDK now available as open source to everyone, studios and developers can now leverage off this and create real-time tools for simulation, as Nvidia considers the PhysX as a primary physics engine and key foundational tool of its Omniverse platform. The physics engine has also made its mark in some other industries like robotics, deep reinforcement, learning, autonomous driving, VFX, and so on. And within the press release, the executive director at Open3D Foundation has gone on to say that having a powerful open source tool for physics like Nvidia's new PhysX 5 library is a critical part of realism delivered by the Open3D engine. As physics use case spreads to other important 3D domains like simulation and digital twins, we are excited to see Nvidia working with open source, allowing everyone to harness the innovation and collaboration that these communities can bring. And for sure, with PhysX becoming a key reference implementation similar to Pixar's USD, Nvidia has decided to return to its more permissive licensing terms used for PhysX 4, which was slightly out of reach for subsequent releases after version 4 was made open source. Acknowledging this new announcement, the simulation lead at Pixar has gone on to say that Pixar's ongoing USD collaboration with Nvidia and other parties are aimed at enabling creators to imbue physics into their scenes with more ease, and we are excited that the open sourcing of the SDK will accelerate the adoption of simulation behaviors in more creative tools. And with something like this, I believe in the coming days we will be seeing some very nice things coming to tools like Blender. You know, currently Nvidia is having an ongoing partnership and support with the foundation, and this might just be one of those cool things that they can implement as part of their collaboration process. And for sure, this is going to be very useful for artists, as this is open source and Blender as well is also open source. And with PhysX 5 now available as open source, creators will be able to take advantage of all of its features. Additionally, Nvidia Flow is now supported, which enables various new features such as soft body dynamics, liquid, cloth simulation, and so on. And with an implementation of the sign distance field collision for GPU, which now allows users to perform collision detection using voxelized versions of the source mesh, this in turn will eliminate the need to create convex decomposition. Furthermore, Nvidia Flow for fire and smoke simulation and Nvidia Blast for destruction are now part of the PhysX products family. Although these two libraries are technically not dependent on PhysX to work, they are now considered to be part of the PhysX family as a whole. And as part of the update, some of the tools and utilities such as digital content creation tool exporters, debugging telemetry and diagnostics, demos and samples have now been merged into the Omniverse platform, and advanced demos are no longer bundled with the SDK. Of course, this is bittersweet, but for the fact that Omniverse is Nvidia's native tool for content creation, this simply makes a bit of sense. And for those who like to take a peek into what the demos look like, there's going to be a link in the description for that. And of course, if you go over to the page, you would notice, like we mentioned, that Blast and also Flow are now part of the PhysX libraries. And you might also want to see what is obtainable for CPU and GPU. And for those who like to take a look at what is available on the GitHub, if you click right here, it takes you over to the GitHub, where you can see some stuff. And for those who like to take a look at the GitHub for Flow and also for Blast, you can find that. And there's also one, just in case you never knew, Flex does have a Unity plugin. So you can have access to the Unity plugin right here, and you can see all of the things that are obtainable with this tool. And with more and more 3D companies and giants releasing their tools for open source, the future for content creation would be real time, and with tools like USD, OpenIO, OpenDenoiser, and so on, it's only a matter of time for artists to be able to make what they want in a couple of clicks. And as Nvidia continues to embrace the idea of open source and build on a more inclusive system, with PhysX being an essential tool which has been used in lots of game creation for more realistic simulation, I do believe that in the coming months we'll begin to see these libraries implemented in various tools. So this is more like it. Links to all of this is going to be in the description, and for those who like to take a look at the GitHub or probably want to read the release note or check out some of the things that we've just talked about, links to that is going to be in the description, so do well to check it out. I'm happy to see Nvidia open source its tools for more and more developers to have access to them. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and of course if you like this video or you like something from this, you can go ahead and give a like, and don't forget to share with a friend. And I'd like to see you guys in the next one. Peace.